Hello, sir. Welcome to the Hidden Side of Smile. Today, we are with Dr. Moez Thakiani, a renowned prosthodontist, to talk about how Gen Z defines smile. So, sir, are you ready for the first question?
I'm looking forward to this.
With social media and filters, do you think people, especially Gen Z, are redefining what they consider a beautiful smile?
That is a good question. So much is changing so quickly today, right? But the word that I like to catch in what you've just said is redefining. In my head, a smile is an emotion more than just a physical form of beauty. All right. It's something that talks about joy, it's about connection, it's about love, it's about empathy, it's about a feeling of belonging. From, let's say, a Nargis Dutt era to a Madhuri Dixit to a Deepika Padukone, the definition of beauty has not really changed. You make two dots and connect them with a line that goes up, that's a smile. Yes, today's filters tend to make it over perfection. It's a lot of airbrushing, it's a lot of, if I may say, fakeism. But remember, there are two sides to life. There is a real side and there's a real side. You can be whatever you want to on the real side, but you have to face the real world at some point, right? And that's where I believe the definition or the core concept or crux of smile is still emotion, and that I believe will never change.
Was really nice, sir. So, celebrities often set trends for how a perfect smile should look. Do you think this influence helped dentistry grow, or does it create unrealistic expectations?
Would you not want a patient to come in with expectations?
No, I would like that.
I'd love a patient who knows mujhe kya chahiye.
True.
Indecisive patients is where I believe there's a problem. Expectations, I believe, can be met. As much as dentistry is art and science, it's a lot about communication as well. And that's something that I always tell the younger generation to focus on. No matter how good you are at your clinical skill, until you connect with your patient and develop a rapport where the patient trusts you, you're not going to be able to convince, convert, and then make the patient feel that, yes, this is what I believe I deserve, looks good, and things like that. So I'm more than happy if the expectations are set high, because today we have, fortunately, a lot of tools with us to plan. I could do a 2D digital setup, I could do a 3D mock-up, I could do a test drive in the mouth, right? And get my patient's expectations right before I touch a burr in the mouth, which means I have first understood the end result before doing anything irreversible. I love saying this. Meet the mind of the patient before you meet the mouth of the patient, right? Everything comes down to how you connect.
So, are you ready for the last question?
Okay, bring it on.
When patients come with smile goal inspired by Instagram celebs,
Yeah.
how do you guide them and keep their expectations realistic? I think you have answered this in the previous.
It is communication, right? At the end of the day. But I do recognize the fact that there's a vast difference between what looks good in pictures as again what looks good on a dynamic individual. There has to be a level of customization to you as an individual, as a human, as a personality. Because remember, copy paste to stamp bhi karta hai. But if I start doing that in every patient's mouth, saying, I want to look like this. Let's say someone comes in and says, I want to look like Tiger Shroff. Can I just give them a six-pack ab and say, now you're Tiger? There is a level of individuality in there. And I believe every individual needs to be given a mirror so that they see their real side, what's achievable, what's biologically possible. But there's so much more that can be done today, right? Do you realize people are changing genders?
Yes, hi.
They're not sure of what kind of a partner they want in life. A lot of what's happened today is there's so much in terms of data available. People are questioning who they are and what their identity is. So when they come for a smile makeover firm, to me, I'd be like, you know what? I'm going to help you discover yourself through the process of a makeover. And you would then want to live your life saying, I'm the one who makes these decisions, not what I have been told by influencers. I am now the influencer of my world.
Wow, sir. It was really nice, sir.
Fantastic.
So, thank you so much, sir, for your thoughts On the culture of smile today, trends may come and go, but a confident, healthy smile never goes out of style.
Absolutely. They say, right, it's the only curve that sets everything
Right.
straight. Right? It was lovely. Thank you so much for this invite, Kriti. And I look forward to viewers enjoying this content and learning from it. Right? Keep doing the great work that you are.
Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Pleasure.